Alright guys, I had so many of you messaging me about the event submissioner bot. Now, here's how it works. Basically, it gets your basic details like name, LinkedIn, Twitter, email, and etc. And it automatically sign ups you for all events. And at the same time, it can also book some meetings for you. So if you have already a meeting lined up with the person, you can turn your calendar into something like this, where you have a mix between side events plus meetings. The color differences are already my own edits. This is how I decide which events I want to go to. So remember what I always tell you is you need to have a main event, the one that you are going, the main event that you consider to be helpful for your business. And then in case something happens to this event, it doesn't happen or get canceled, or you just go there and you don't find what you're looking for, you always have a backup event. You always have a second event where you can find like better business, for example. That's why some of these are purple ones. These are the good events that I plan on attending, and the green ones are just the basic events that I got submissions to, but I probably won't go there. In case those purple ones are going to be bad, then I'm going to go to the green one. And that's basically how I organize my conferences. I always have one event where I meet a lot of people, and then one event when I can do some breathing. And this is what the bot will do for you. So if you don't know how to get the results like this, if you want to do this, if you don't want to spend your hours of signing up yourself manually, just drop me a message. My Telegram is going to be down below, or go to Enrich.io and go through the demo process and get yourself a bot. You just need to give some basic information to the bot, and that's it. You're going to be with us. You're going to have your calendar done like this for any event you want. KW, KBW, Token 2049, DevCon, or even smaller events. Just, it doesn't really matter. As long as they have side events. And it's a lot of them, because if it's like 2 side events, then yeah, of course, sign up manually. That's it. Thank you so much. See you. My messages and all my details are below. Bye-bye.